Cloutshout.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? That's what we'll be talking about today. We're taking a look at some of the payment proofs and so on and so forth. Also, folks, please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. And also, if you're interested in the 31-day Cash App Challenge, where you download one app per day for 31 days. Of course, you can do 2 apps in one day. It doesn't really matter, but it is a challenge. Check out the playlist in the video description below for that as well. There are a bunch of really cool apps, cashback apps, make money watching video apps, earn cash listening to music apps, free stock apps, free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, get paid for your videos and photos, product reviews, and more. And most of these also have, these apps have referral programs where you can make even more money. I created a separate video for that where you can check out, kind of looks like this. It shows you some free places and stuff to post your referral links and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get into this website today. We're gonna go over what is it, how it works, how do you make money, scam or legit, some red flags and stuff like that. How do they pay you? Gift cards, PayPal, whatever. Is there a referral program? Actually, this one is a referral program, so you want to check out that other video about sharing your links and stuff. Payment proof, what countries it's available in, tips and tricks, and all kind of other stuff. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is Cloutshout.co. $20 to $40 an hour. Get paid $10 for every friend you invite. $60 tasks and earn 20% of your referrals earnings. No risk, no cost. Payment scheduled immediately. Blah, 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 on and so forth. Some brands they claim they work with. And again, you just share, you join. Top influencers, you receive $25 bonus once you're registered. Share your unique link on your dashboard. Get $10 for every person you invite. And they claim to pay out with Cash App, PayPal, Bitcoin, or a mail check. And here are some testimonials. And these photos are used on many other sites, by the way, of exact same testimonials for different sites. But anyways, so here's a little daily calculator. Let's say you have 1,000 followers. You can make, you know, whatever they claim here, $230 a day. All right, so let's get right into the big red flags here, super huge red flags. And then you can tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Okay, so first of all, since we're here, get in touch with us. 27 Division Street, New York, New York. Blah, 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 United States. Okay, so first of all, that is a Chinese restaurant in Chinatown. Or it's a seafood restaurant in Chinatown in New York City. You could just Google map it, check it out. I don't want to Google map it right now. I've done it in other videos because a lot of these sites use the same address. So yeah, okay, that's very strange. Next up, about us. Okay, 2015, they say they started in the beginning. Okay, they began in 2015. Let's just take their word for it for now. All right, so when I head over to whois.com, I'm just going to put their web address in there. And the website was registered in 2020. Looks like February 24th, 2020. Okay, very strange. Big red flag. Payment proofs. Okay, so these are just random screenshots or whatever. You know, these can be faked very easily. Video testimonials, there's absolutely nothing here on the video testimonial page. So whatever. So they claim they paid out over 158 million. And then on this page, it says they've been around since 2008. So I don't know. They have all kind of different years they're going about. Who knows? How do you get paid? Well, they told you before. I told you PayPal and stuff. All right, so here's something here's probably the biggest red flag of them all. If you go to terms of service, and you can just do a search for 99 on here. Watch this. Okay. So you must be 99 years old or older to use this site. If you're under the age of 99, you're not allowed to use Cloutshout sites and features nor services. Some offerings on Cloutshout sites and features or our services may be subject to additional age restrictions. So yeah, very strange. They have to be 99 years or older. So come on now. What do you guys think? Put it in your comments below. Have you signed up for this site? And by the way, there's a million sites like, maybe not a million. There's a lot of sites like this. They're all very shady. They never pay. They just give you run around and stuff. They say you got to do all kinds of other stuff to do whatever. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And like I said, please do check out the other videos. I'll put this playlist up here for 31 days, cash apps and websites in 31 days. Start making some money today. All kind of really cool stuff. I have another video where you can share all your links and stuff like that as well. Your referral links for apps and websites and such. And that looks like it'll just be at the end of the video. Anyways, that is all for now. Talk to you soon.